this sign over here means you have to be careful. There are some deers passing through on the road. And this is not a joke. Seriously, deers are just passing through here every morning and evening. Bonjour, comment ça va? For all of you that's been watching my YouTube channel, from now on you should know already what's good morning, bonjour, ça va? Ça va? It's like how's going? How are you? It's very common in France. As soon as you meet somebody on the road, on the street, you cross someone, you say right away ça va, and then you respond ça va bien, like everything's fine. Ça va bien, oui, ça va bien. Okay, that's one tip for you. When you come to France, then you already know bonjour, ça va bien, okay? Back home from Paris, and it's amazing. I'm loving it. It's so beautiful. You know that feeling when you went for a trip and as soon as you came back home you appreciated everything you've neglected? It's like living in French Alps where you get the view every single day. Just like, oh, another mountain, oh, another snow, oh, another landscape, oh, another ski resorts where there's so many tourists coming here. But then when you went to Paris, when you went to the city, and I came back here like 24 hours ago, I was like, wow, it's snowing, it's beautiful. Because you know, in Paris it's very dark, gray and cloudy and cold, super cold and rainy. And the river Seine, it's flooding, it's full of water. You cannot walk around the river because nowadays it's been 1 month that it's been flooding around river Seine, and the walkable path, you cannot walk on that anymore because the water is so high. It's like up to your hips. Used to be 5 meters high, and now there's still a lot of water, and the police told me that maybe a week or two it will clear up. It will clear up. For today, it's not about where do I go today, what do I do today. It's about telling you why I love living in French Alps, because it's not just that we got the most sunny days of the year in the south of France. It's also because we also got the most winter days of the year. That's right, where all the tourists, the people from the city, they come down here to do ski, to do a lot of winter sports. And we are proud of that. Goodness, my GoPro, I'm shooting this video with GoPro and now it's dying. I hope I can finish my sentence before it dies, because it's very small battery and it's very cold, so it consumes so much battery because of the weather, and so now it's dying. It's dying. I hope I can finish this video. Yeah, you know, I'm getting far from the house. I hope Taya, she's still not awake. I'm walking down there now, so... But, you know, let me tell you something. Geographically, French Alps is surrounded with big mountains. geographically. Oh my god, that was hard. So geographically. That was hard. So geographically. Oh my goodness. So geographically. That was hard.